Thank you so much for joining this lesson. We're going to look at mathematics paper 1, a question on indices. Solve for n, given that this number 4, 3 power 2n multiplied by 243 power n minus 1 divided by 2 power 2 multiplied by 2187 equals to 3 power 4n divided by 4. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. So what you're going to have here is a cross multiplication to do away with these fractions, such that 4 multiplies the numbers here, then 2 power 2 and 2187 multiplies the numbers on that side. So we shall have 4, allow me to use dot multiplication, multiplied by 3 power 2n multiplied by 243 power n minus 1 equivalent to, remember 2 power 2 is 4, multiplied by 2187 multiplied by 3 power 4n. Now at this point, allow me cancel 4, which is appearing on both sides. Then after that, now we can raise the composite numbers to the simplest base provided in this question, which is base 3. So we shall have 3 power 2n multiplied by 243 is equivalent to 3 power 5. But remember, there is an existing power again, which is n minus 1. This will be equivalent to 2187 to base 3 is going to be 3 power 7, then multiplied by 3 power 4n. After this, we can apply what we call the product law of indices at this point, so that we have 3 power 2n multiplied by, we just multiply the powers such that we get 3, let me check on that, such that we get 3 power 5n minus 5. Then this is the same as 3 power 7 multiplied by 3 power 4n. Now, in the laws of indices, it should be recalled that when we have a certain base, let's say base a raised to power m, multiplied by the same base but raised to a different index, we can simply solve this by taking the base and we add the indices n plus m. Therefore, applying the same on both the right hand side and the left hand side, then we're going to have 3 raised to, we take 2n, then we add 5n minus 5. This is equivalent to 3. On the right hand side, now we will have 7 plus 4n. And now that on both the right hand side and the left hand side, the base is the same, we can simply equate the indices and say 3. Okay, we are doing away with the bases. Now we introduce the indices and we equate them. 2n plus 5n minus 5 is equivalent to 7 plus 4n. Now we can group like terms, whereby we'll be talking about 2n plus 5n giving us 7n. Then we are having a 4n at this side, which gets subtracted. So 7n minus 4n will give us 3n. This is equivalent to negative 5 taken to the other side now will be positive. So 5 plus 7 giving us 12. And the value of n is going to be exactly 4. So that is how we handle the question. Thank you so much for following. Subscribe and share.